Flange for him, re-welded it, re-angled it, and he wants to see on the sound decibel what his car, how loud it's gonna be. It's a 370Z, so we're gonna let you guys see on the sound decibel how loud it is. Tell me when you're ready. He's gonna go beast mode. I should have my sound decibel. I should have my earbuds on, but it's okay. Go ahead. There's a 70. Yeah, it's definitely 130. Probably louder than that. Again. Yeah, it tops out at 130, so it's probably louder than that. Wow.
I'm sorry, bro. Huh?
What?
I ain't ready to hear shit.
Hey, take off. Give it hell. Go beast mode, okay? That's our saying in exhaust addicts. Beast mode. Don't disappoint. Hell yeah! Beast mode! Hope you guys enjoy.